Hi guys, today we are going to open this that is given from my grandmother from US. Let's start. I had a peek underneath the wrapping earlier, and that's how I know it was from my grandma, because there was this kind of label that has a sticker that is like a heart. I'm going to keep that aside. And let's start opening the wrapping. Whoa! In one shot. Where did all the food go? I have few more like those boots. So here's the Barbie with the parent, and here's the cutest part, the babies. And they come with these accessories. My grandma opened the box actually and stored the accessories in this box. And this is the cutest part. It's having a param, and this could go down or up, and the baby's dress could take off, and she got kind of half leggings, kind of half leggings actually. Now let's see what it all has. Let's keep them all in the side. Close this box and keep it there. Now all it has is this Barbie that has short hair and the same boots with that is lighter purple, and just like that, she has kind of half leggings purple, but this is light, this is little dark. And also see on her dress, she has kind of a tiara, and look at her makeup. It looks so cool. See that silver kind of shine in her? And her lips are purple, just like over here on her legs. And also, most cool is she has these little bangs. If you want to see her without the bangs, here's how she looks. And she got a little makeup over here, a little blush, and she could be also removed. And now for the turn for the two babies. These two babies are so cute. This one has kind of a pink dress, and they told the name too. Her name is Rose, and her name is Lily. They kind of have mouths kind of open, but not going to do all the way. You could see that for the both. And they all have little dot inside. Look at them, they're cute. Now for the params turn. This param is so cool because it has real wheels, not the ones. See? Woo, it's spinning. Okay, and also this one, the fabric is kind of getting there because it's just a cover to cover. But it's actually plastic kind of silver underneath it. There was nothing to keep the babies comfortable. Oh, this got off. How? But we could put it back here, like that, and the other one there. This one won't fit properly eventually. It didn't fit for me to try, but I'm going to leave it plain light over here. And most cool is this could go down or up. Oh, no, okay. And these babies could move their hands and legs on their heads, and they could fit eventually perfectly inside this. Now let's see the accessories. All this accessories has two two bottles, the one with the hands and one with no hands. This set also comes with a spoon. Yeah, a spoon and the tray. Oh no, it also comes with a fork. The fork? Yeah, the fork. And also it got a little building block and a nipple and two. This is for the horse kind of foot, and this is a little ducky. And these two are for actually when they don't have teeth, right? That time they will actually put it in their mouth and put it in their mouth and and they will just yeah, that's called a teether. And last of all, it has a little ball. Subscribe to my video. This is all for today. I hope your grandma gives this on your birthday. Have a nice day. And next, I'm going to show you how a video when their morning routine that I have planned. Bye for now.